Hello everybody, and welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to be focusing on exporting out a DXF file. So that's commonly used for laser cutting and then work with sheet metal. So we have a few parts here and we want to nest them together so we have a closer knit pattern, don't have to save out multiple DXF files. So I'm just going to grab the parts that I want to work with, and I'll grab the whole part and just move them into place until I get it about the distance I want away. I could go and create some precise measurements, but I'm just going to eyeball it for now. So we'll move that into place and move our last solid right there. Alright, so now that we've done this, we can go ahead and we could save it out as a DXF file from here, but I want to show you the difference between wireframe and hidden line. So basically, a DXF file will flatten your parts out. So if you print them or save them as a DXF file with hidden lines, you'll get dashed lines in the background. With wireframe, you'll get solid lines in the background. And if you save a DXF file as a solid, it will naturally default to hidden lines. So I prefer wireframe, so I set it to wireframe, and we'll go ahead and save out a DXF file. And we'll save it as part. So now when I go ahead and bring this back in, go to our drop down, bring in the AutoCAD file, we can see that I have exactly what I saved out. We just now have a DXF file, which you can see the lines here, 258 and 82, and we'll go back and check it against our solids that we have, 258 and 82. So now we've saved everything properly as a DXF file, and we can bring this to Laser Cutter and get to work. Thank you for watching.